If you are running Pinterest ads, this is something you need to know. Now, before I get into the Pinterest ads tea, I'm Press Rogers and I do Pinterest ads for online businesses like yours. So when it comes to your daily budget, if Pinterest is not spending your money, that's not a good thing. I know you might be thinking like, you set a $25 budget and Pinterest is only spending like $10. Cool. No, it's not cool. It's not cool. You want the platform to spend your money. If it's not spending your money, that probably means your audience that you're targeting is really, really small or too small, which means it's not being able to show your ads in front of all the people that it needs to show your ads in front of, so that you can get an actual return on your investment and that you can get the results and the conversions that you want. So you probably want to go in and reevaluate your targeting. Maybe you're not using enough keywords. Maybe you're not using a big enough audience. Maybe you need to add more interest, things like that. Maybe you gotta really look deep and see, why isn't Pinterest spending the money that I'm giving it so that I can get the results that I want? You might be thinking this does not make sense, but trust me, you have to spend money in order to make money. And so if it's not actually utilizing your budget that you're giving it, there's something in the back end that needs to be fixed or improved. If you have any questions, let me know and follow me for more Pinterest marketing advice and tips.